Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to add an audio spectrum directly here in CapCut. So let's drag our media onto our timeline, then head up to the stickers here. Then we need to search out for audio, and you'll see you have a few different choices of audio spectrum. Let's choose this one here, drag it onto our timeline. You can adjust the length, you can adjust the size, so you can put it wherever you want. Let's have it there. See, it's going out of screen slightly, so and there you go. That's how to add an audio spectrum directly in CapCut. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.